Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Thakre and student of BSc final year CZ. Today I am going to give seminar on radioactive waste. First, what is radioactive waste? Radioactive waste is a type of hazardous waste that contains radioactive material. Radioactive waste is a result of many activities including nuclear medicine, nuclear research, nuclear power generation, rare earth mining and nuclear weapons reprocessing. It is broadly classified into three types, that is low level waste, that is LLW, intermediate level waste, that is ILW, and high level waste, that is HLW. First, low level waste. Low level waste such as paper, rags, tools, clothing, which contain small amount of mostly short-lived radioactivity. Intermediate level waste, which contains higher amount of radioactivity and requires some shielding. High level waste, which is highly radioactive and hot due to decay heat, so requires cooling and shielding. In nuclear reprocessing plants, about 96% of spent nuclear fuel is recycled back into uranium based and mixed oxide, that is MOX fuels. The residual 4% is fission products, which are highly radioactive, high level waste. This radioactivity naturally decreases over time, so the material is stored in appropriate disposal facilities for a sufficient period until it no longer poses a threat. Now we will see storage and disposal of radioactive waste. Radioactive waste are stored so as to avoid any chance of radiation exposure to people or any pollution. The radioactivity of the waste decays with time, providing a strong incentive to store high level waste for about 50 years before disposal. Disposal of low level waste is straightforward and can be undertaken safely almost anywhere. Storage of used fuel is normally under water for at least 5 years and then often in dry storage. Deep geological disposal is widely agreed to be the best solution disposal of most radioactive waste produced. Most low-level radioactive waste, that is LLW, is typically sent to land-based disposal immediately following its packaging for long-term management. This means that for the majority of all the waste types produced by nuclear technologies, a satisfactory disposal means has been developed and is being implemented around the world. For used fuel designated as high level radioactive waste, that is HLW, the first step is storage to allow decay of radioactivity and heat, making handling much safer. Storage of used fuel may be in ponds or dry casks, either at reactor sites or centrally. Beyond storage, many options have been investigated which seek to provide publicly acceptable, safe, and environmentally sound solution to the final management of radioactive waste. The most widely favored solution is deep geological disposal. The focus is on how and where to construct such facilities. Used fuel that is not intended for direct disposal may instead be reprocessed in order to recycle uranium and plutonium it contains. Some separated liquid HLW arises during reprocessing. This is vitrified in glass and stored pending final disposal. Intermediate level waste ILW that contains long-lived radioisotopes is also stored pending disposal in geological repository. In USA, defense related transuranic, that is TRU, waste which has similar level of radioactivity to some ILW is disposed of in the Waste Isolation Pilot Plant, that WIPP, Deep Geological Respiratory in New Mexico. A number of countries disposes of ILW containing short-lived radioisotopes in near-surface disposal facilities. Some countries are at the preliminary stages of their consideration of disposal for ILW and HLW, while others such as Finland and Sweden have made good progress. Finland's Onkolo Respiratory is expected to start operating in 2023. It will be the first deep geological respiratory licensed for the disposal of used fuel from civil reactors. Thank you.